Good morning, Leo. Today is a special day because we're going to learn how to describe your day in English, from the moment you wake up until the moment you say good night. Are you ready to take our little listeners on a journey through your day?
Yes, Miss Lily. I want to tell everyone what I do every day.
Wonderful, Leo. Let's start from the beginning. When you open your eyes in the morning, what do you say?
I say, good morning.
Perfect. And that's how we begin today's story. Kids at home, repeat with us. Good morning. Great job. Now, Leo, tell us, what's the first thing you do after waking up?
I stretch. Then I get out of bed.
Excellent. And in English, you can say, I wake up. I stretch. I get out of bed. Repeat after me.
I wake up. I stretch. I get out of bed.
That's it, Leo. Your day has officially started. Now, let's move to the next part of your day. What do you do after getting out of bed?
I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth.
Perfect. Kids, listen carefully. I brush my teeth. You can say it too.
I brush my teeth.
Wonderful. And after brushing your teeth, what comes next?
I wash my face.
Great. We say, I wash my face. Repeat after me, everyone.
I wash my face.
So now we have the first steps of your day in English. Let's review together. I wake up. I stretch. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Leo, you're doing amazing.
Thank you, Miss Lily. I like telling my day in English.
And you're helping so many children learn with you. That's the magic of learning together. Now that your morning routine is done, let's talk about breakfast. Leo, what do you usually eat in the morning?
Sometimes I eat toast. Sometimes I eat fruit. And sometimes I drink milk.
Excellent. Kids, listen to these useful sentences. I eat breakfast. I drink milk. I eat fruit.
I eat breakfast. I drink milk. I eat fruit.
Amazing! And you can also say, I eat toast or I eat cereal.
Miss Lily, can I say I like breakfast?
Oh, yes, Leo. You can say, I like breakfast. Breakfast gives you energy to start your day with joy.
Yes, breakfast makes me strong for school.
Exactly. And speaking of school, let's talk about what you do next. After breakfast, it's time for school, right, Leo?
Yes, I put on my shoes, I grab my backpack, and I go to school.
Perfect. In English, you can say, I put on my shoes. I take my backpack. I go to school.
I go to school.
And what do you do at school?
I read, I write, I draw, and I play with my friends.
Wonderful. Kids, repeat with us. I read, I write, I draw, I play.
I read, I write, I draw, and I play.
Excellent. And when you want to say everything together, you can say, at school, I read, write, draw, and play.
Wow, that sounds so good in English.
That's because you're learning so well, Leo. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. When you get home from school, what do you do?
First, I eat lunch. Then, I do my homework.
Great! Kids, repeat these. I eat lunch. I do my homework.
I eat lunch. I do my homework.
After homework, what fun things do you like to do?
I play with my toys. I watch cartoons. I sometimes help my mom.
Those are wonderful things to do. You can say, I play with my toys. I watch cartoons. I help my mom.
I play with my toys.
Very good. And then comes evening time. Evening is the quiet part of the day. Leo, what do you do before bedtime?
I take a bath. I put on my pajamas. And I read a book.
Perfect routine. Kids, repeat after us. I take a bath. I put on my pajamas. I read a book.
I take a bath. I put on my pajamas. And I read a book.
And the last thing you say at night is?
Good night.
That's right. And today we've learned how to describe a whole day in English. Morning, afternoon, and evening. You did wonderfully, Leo.
Thank you, Miss Lily.
And thank you, little listeners. Now tell us in the comments, how do you describe your day in English?
Yes. Tell us your favorite part of your day.
Until next time, keep learning, keep shining, and keep speaking English.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, my little stars.